In this presentation, I'm going to share with you the best foods you can include in your diet to help you overcome anxiety. If you're struggling from anxiety, you may have tried many things to try and curb the stress and worry, but have continued to be disappointed with the questionable result. However, you can often reduce the effects through your diet. Here are the best foods that can help you curb your anxiety and give you a jump start to living your best life yet. Miso. Miso is high in protein and has been used to promote better health for centuries. Miso has become more popular because of its ability to restore gut microbiome, which has been linked to what's known as the gut-brain axis. It has been shown that the healthier the microbiome, the healthier the brain. Early research has been shown that when harmful bacteria in the gut was replaced with beneficial bacteria, the mind was calmed and anxiety decreased. Turmeric. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to balance the brain's chemical hormones, including glutamate, serotonin, noradrenaline, and dopamine. Curcumin acts as an anxiolytic, which has been shown to help calm anxiety and depression. Asparagus. Asparagus is high in folic acid, an essential B vitamin, which is necessary for optimal nerve and brain function. Studies have proven that folic acid promotes the increased production of neurotransmitters in the brain. If you have reduced levels of folic acid, you are at a higher risk for suffering from anxiety and depression. Salmon. Along with helping to ease joint pain, strengthen eye health, and lowering the risk of heart disease, omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon also promote optimal brain health. This superfood promotes brain health in the prefrontal cortex, which is where motivation is developed, and the nucleus accumbens, which is responsible for regulating emotion. With control over emotion and motivation regulators, the brain feels less stressed, and it helps to diminish cellular inflammation, which is the leading cause of depression and anxiety. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, Swiss chard, collard greens, and kale help to add essential vitamins to the body and are instrumental in helping to reduce anxiety. These nutrient-dense foods contain high concentrations of vitamins and minerals that the body needs to function correctly. They have been proven to reduce stress and anxiety by providing the brain with folate A, a critical element of healthy neurotransmitter connections. Including these healthy foods in your daily diet can help you manage symptoms of anxiety.